Alrighty guys, so I'm going to grab my 613 wig and I am going to pour some boiling hot water into a bowl with my pink petal from Adore. I also use a neon pink, which I put an X on there so you guys know, do not get that color because your wig is going to not be the color you want. So I just took the first bottle of pink petal and I'm just going to mix that in. Then you want to detangle your wig so you know it can hit every strand. So I did a strand test and it is changing colors. So before I dipped it all the way in, I made sure I started from the end and then I pushed the wig all the way down, hitting the roots of the hair. So I didn't speed this clip up because I wanted to show you guys how this looks in real time. I was just soaking the hair, pushing it down with the spoon, and just making sure that every strand of hair would be saturated with color. Now, this is a perfect time to let you guys know you don't want to use that neon pink because that is how I failed this attempt. If you guys see those blonde patches, I thought the neon pink would kind of like get those patches, but it didn't work like that. Do not use neon pink, guys. Pink petal is perfectly fine. So now I am going to add the second bottle of pink petal and I'm making sure I use the whole entire thing. And I'm just getting the wig ready. As you guys can see, it is so matted and clumped together. It looks like a hot mess. And I tried to run the comb through it, but baby, it was not working. The ends of the hair was way more color than the roots, so I decided to go root first and then the ends. Now this is where I definitely messed up. I wanted to do like a highlight and low light type of thing, so I added 4 drops of the neon pink, but baby, my wig just ended up turning neon pink. So as you see from the first dip, that neon pink took like it was not the color I wanted at all. I wanted a pastel pink, but if you guys keep watching, you're gonna see how I get it to the color I got it to. So I washed the hair with some silicone mixed shampoo, and all the products that I used on my wig will be linked down below. I washed the hair because I just thought that it would help with the mattedness, but baby, it looked terrible and it wasn't the color I wanted. So that's how it looked. It was just so nappy and matted. I don't know what it is about this hair, but like it literally gets so brittle and tangled when it's wet. I'm not gonna dip the hair in the pot because like, I don't know, like it's kind of weird because I eat in this pot. So like, I don't want to dip my hair in it. I'm gonna just pour it into a bowl that I dyed it with and work from there. I just let it get to a light boil. I didn't want it to boil too much because I just like dyed the hair, like water dyed it, so like I don't want the water to be as hot as it was the first time. So I just poured all the water into the bowl, and this water is like super hot, but the water's turning pink a little bit, so I think some of this color is gonna run out. I'm just gonna let it sit in there for like 30 minutes. I really want this to get a nice deep condition. Alright, so after that, it got to the color I wanted. I blow dried it and straightened it, and this is the final look. It is a perfect pink, the exact color that I wanted. So you can definitely revive the hair and get the color you want by just deep conditioning and shampooing. So this is a close-up of the install, and if you want a video on how I installed it, just like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you.